Hey everyone. Now, first off, this is a safe for work workflow, so it might not be able to handle every single kind of cloth swapping. You might need to switch the checkpoint, add LoRa models, or use Quen image edit if you are looking for that full flexibility. Other than that, this is such a solid workflow, and I did all these swaps right here on my RTX 5060 laptop with 8 GB of VRAM and 32 GB of system RAM. Flux 2 Klein is super fast. Of course, that depends on the resolution you are using for your generations, and it doesn't stress your system to its absolute limits. Now, just to be clear, I didn't use Flux 2 Klein to generate these people and clothes. I actually used Zmage Turbo for that part and only used Flux 2 Klein for the swapping. The full workflow is linked in the video description and in the pinned comment. This is the exact workflow I used for these cloth swaps. Right here, you've got links to all the models. After downloading them, head to your main ComfyUI directory, open the ComfyUI folder, and then the models folder. Drop your downloaded models right into these folders. Here's where you need to load up all the models. Manually select each one just to make sure you picked the correct model. Now, this is the simple prompt I used for all my swaps. Here are the settings I used in the case sampler. Feel free to experiment with different samplers and schedulers. Now, this is important. Make sure to keep this switch enabled when you are not doing in painting. If you want to keep the resolution of your original image, you will need to disable this node. However, if you are using higher resolution images or multiple images with different resolutions, you might need to enable this, or you could run into out-of-memory issues depending on your system specs. As always, keep your ComfyUI up to date. And if you have any missing nodes, just click the Install Missing Custom Nodes option right here. If you want to upscale your images, here is a separate workflow using the powerful SeedVR2 Upscaler. Make sure to unload your models and clear your VRAM before using this upscaler. I'll attach this workflow in the video description and the pinned comment along with the main workflow. Now check out the generations.